Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P Smart Pro, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from your SIM to the device. So to get started, you want to open up your contacts app, which is right here, the blue one. Tap on that, and from here, just disregard the battery percentage, you'll find the three dots. So tap on that, go into the settings, from where you'll find import and export. And now we're interested in importing, so import from SIM right here. And it gives you all the contacts that are located on the SIM. Now there's only 6 contacts, and you can select them all by tapping right here, or you can also select them manually, specific ones that you want. And once you're satisfied with the ones that you have selected, all you need to do is tap on import right here, and then 2 options will only pop up if you are logged into Google. Now I am, so that's why it's showing me the Google option. Basically what it does is, instead of importing it to your device, it imports it to your Google account, and it then syncs it with every device that is using the same Google account. So this will allow you to basically log into your Google on a different device and immediately have all your contacts. Now I'm gonna choose the phone, considering this was the thing that I said I'm gonna choose. So let's go with the phone, and now we can go back to the contacts, and the contacts should be now on your device. So that is how you would import contacts from your SIM. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.